In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a custom logo in Salesforce and make it your own. Let's dive into the process and ensure you get your new branding set up smoothly. To begin, just head over to the upper right corner of your Salesforce page. Here, you'll notice a gear icon. This icon is your trusty gateway to all things set up within Salesforce, pretty much your command center for customization. Go ahead and give that a click. Once you're there, what you'll want to do next is select Setup. This will guide you into more specialized settings tailored for customizing your Salesforce environment. Now, as you venture into the Setup area, you'll spot a quick find box conveniently positioned on the left side of your screen. It's a handy tool that allows you to quickly search for specific settings. Just type in Themes and Branding. This little action will narrow down your options, making it much quicker to locate exactly what you need. As Themes and Branding appears under the User Interface section, go ahead and click on it. This section is where the magic happens when it comes to the look and feel of your Salesforce. Now you've arrived at the right spot, and you might notice a button labeled New Theme. Give it a click, and like that, you're taking steps towards creating your very own custom theme. Once you've pressed that button, it's time to give your new theme a unique name and description. This is especially helpful if you plan on creating multiple themes down the line. It will make identifying each theme much easier. Focusing now on the Brand Image section. This is the crucial part for integrating your logo. You'll see an option to upload your logo image directly from your computer. Be sure to check that your file format and size align with Salesforce's requirements. Usually, JPEG, PNG, or GIF files are recommended. Also, ensure the dimensions are suitable, as this impacts how your logo will be showcased. Once your image is uploaded, you might need to make a few adjustments. Use the drag and resize options to ensure it looks just the way you want it to. When you're happy with your image and any tweaks you've made, hit Save to lock in your changes. To ensure everything looks uniform across your interface, check the box labeled Use Brand Image on Lightning Experience. This step guarantees your logo is displayed correctly throughout the entire Salesforce platform. And one more time, don't forget to hit Save again at the bottom of the page to make sure those changes definitely take effect. Finally, the moment of truth, activating your new theme. Simply click the Activate button. This will apply the theme you've customized to your entire Salesforce organization, showcasing your unique branding every time you or your team logs in. By following these steps, you can effortlessly tailor your Salesforce environment with your logo, supporting a cohesive brand identity and an enhanced user experience. Thanks for following along, and enjoy your newly branded Salesforce interface.